Hey, hello, welcome back. In this part, we're going to take a look at memory segments in assembly. A segmented memory model divides the system memory into groups of independent segments referenced by pointers located in the segment registers. And each segment is used to contain a specific type of data. And one segment is used to contain instruction codes. Another segment stores the data elements, and third segment keeps the program stuck. And in the light of the above discussion that we can specify various memory segments as the data segment, for example, this one here, which is represented by the dot, this one right here, which is represented by the dot data section, and the dot BSS, okay, which is this one here, okay, sections dot BSS, okay. So the dot data section is used to declare the memory region where data elements are stored for the program, okay, which is this section here, okay, stored in the program. And this section cannot be expanded after the data elements are declared, and it remains static throughout the program, okay. So the .bss section, this one here, the .bss section is also a static memory section that contains buffers for data to be declared later in the program, okay. And this buffer memory is zero filled, okay. So let us take a look at the code section, okay. The code section, is represented, this code segment, the code segment is represented by the dot text section, okay. And this defines an area in memory that stores the instruction codes, okay. And this is also a fixed area, okay. So we have what is known as the stack, okay. So this segment contains data values passed to functions and procedures within the program, okay. So we shall take a look at all of them. We shall take a look at how we can use them as yeah, okay. So thank you if you have subscribed to this part, and you have liked the video. Thank you.